Trevor here to break down the Lume Cube Edge, the must-have lighting accessory for gamers, streamers, and live broadcasters. It clamps right to your desk and provides a professional-looking, soft light to help you look your absolute best on camera. Let's get into how to use it. First, we'll start with the physical features of the Edge, then we'll dive into how to use them. The Edge is made out of full aluminum with plastic housings around the Edge light itself and each of the pivot points. And on bottom, you'll find the clamp mount. This is how you mount it to your desk up to 2.5 inches thick. And on back, you will find the AC power port. This is how you charge the Edge itself, and then you'll also find a couple convenient charging ports to charge your other pieces of gear. In moving up the Edge, you will find the 5 pivot points. We intentionally designed the Edge to allow you to get your light where you need it, when you need it. So these 5 pivot points allow you to adjust your light to get the exact angle that you're going for. In moving up the Edge, you will locate the soft touch buttons. These buttons really allow you to 1, turn your Edge on and off, but 2, allow you to adjust both the brightness and the color temperature of your light. And last but certainly not least, we have the Edge light itself. We utilized EdgeLit technology to produce a light that is soft but yet easy to look at. It reduces any strain on your eyes. Not only does this make the light easy to look at, but it reduces any facial imperfections and makes you look great on camera for your live stream or live broadcasts. All right, so now that we understand the physical features, let's dive into how to set it up and use it for your live streaming setup. First, you'll want to locate the spot on your desk that you'd like to mount the Edge to. And keep in mind, the Edge's clamp mount takes up a whopping 2 inches on your desk, so you really don't need that much space to work with. But find the location and use the clamp mount on bottom to secure it to your desk. Once your Edge is mounted, it's time to power it up. So grab the included AC power adapter, insert it to your Edge and a wall outlet, and you should see a red light appear on the indicator light above the power button. You can then tap the power button and your Edge will turn on. Locate the toggle button at the very top of your soft touch controls. This toggle button will allow you to switch from adjusting the brightness of your light and the warmth of your light. If your indicator light is blue, that means you are adjusting brightness. Simply tap the plus button to increase your brightness and the minus button to decrease your brightness. Tap the toggle button once again, and then you can adjust your warmth. If you press the plus button, it will adjust your light to be more of a white light. If you push the minus button, it'll make it more of a warm light. And lastly, figure out what angle of the lighting looks best for your setup. Those 5 pivot points we were talking about earlier will really allow you to get the best lighting angle for your particular setup. I always recommend having the light above you and shining down at a 45-degree angle to give you a very natural and flattering look. And keep in mind, one Edge will do a great job of lighting up your live stream or broadcast. However, we always recommend a 2-point lighting setup. It reduces any unwanted shadows and gives you a very flattering look in your content. And if you happen to wear glasses while you stream, this 2-point lighting setup is a great way to reduce any glare on your glasses. Well, there you have it, a breakdown of the Edge for gamers, streamers, and live broadcasters. If you have any further questions, please reach out to support@lumecube.com, drop your questions in the comments below, or post your question in the Lume Cube Facebook group. We'll see you next time.